2018 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 TR line remainder of factory warranty, recent trade-in, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, active cruise control, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, automatic temperature control, brake assist, CD player, delay off headlights, distance pacing cruise control, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, exterior parking camera rear, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front bucket seats, front center armrest, front dual zone AC, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, heated front comfort seats, heated front seats, illuminated entry, leather shift knob, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, perforated VTEX leatherette seating surfaces, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, radio data system, radio, composition media AM/FM/HD with CD player, rear anti-roll bar, rear reading lights, rear seat center armrest, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, speed control, speed sensing steering, split folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, variably intermittent wipers, wheels, 19 Salvador alloy. Recent arrival. Clean Carfax. Carfax one owner. 2536 city/highway. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.